Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to integrate Wix with Xero in 2026. Using Xero for accounting, let's connect it to your Wix store the right way. And we're going to do it just by following some few simple steps. Now, the first step is to create a Xero account. And to do that, you're going to go to xero.com and you're going to sign in or log in if you have an account already. If you don't have an account, you're going to click on try Xero for free and make sure to sign in with your account. You're going to enter your information such as name, last name, email, and phone number, and also the location, and make sure to agree on the terms. And after that, you're going to add the Xero integration. You're going to open Wix by going to manage.wix.com and make sure to sign in with your account's credentials. After that, you're going to go to the Wix app market by scrolling in the left sidebar and go to apps, app market, and in the search bar, you're going to type in Xero like this with an X. We're going to click on Xero Sync by here. And you're going to click on add to site. Now, once you do that, you're going to log into Xero and allow Wix permissions. And make sure to set sync preferences by choosing the sync option like invoices, customers, or payments, and then match the tax rates. And finally test it. You can create a test order and confirm it appears in Xero. And always check the currency settings and the sync taxes correctly, and also review data before filing reports. And that's it. Your Wix store is now synced with Xero. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.